channel Iris Life Journey. So, if you're new to here, it's so great to have you here. So, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share my video. For today's video, I'm going to let you know how to make a DIY stamp on fabric for fashion. So this is the stamp which I made. So let's see this. Ta-da! Ta-da! A butterfly. So guys, I'm gonna show you how did I made this. So this is called stamps to make this, not exactly this. I can do if you want. Let me know in the comment box below. Let's get started. First we need cardboard, which is easily available in your home, like we do online shoppings, right? So cardboards will be any corner in our home, right? So second, we need a foam, a thick foam like this. And third, we need a compass. Fourth, we need a blade. This is a craft blade. And fifth, we need a scissors. Sixth, we need a scale. And also seventh, we need a glue, and optional we can also add colors. First thing first, we should take a foam and circle it with 2 centimeters and cut them with scissors, just like this. And now cut the cardboard into 4 centimeters, just like this. Glue the foam on cardboard with B7000. Ta-da! It's ready, almost. We need something is empty, right? That is called eyes and smile. Let's do it. Now glue the eyes and smile on the cardboard to look like an emoji, just like this. Ta-da! Now if you want, you can color the cardboard with any color. So ta-da! It's super ready for the project. So let's jump to the project and do what we want to do. So let's do the project on this pan, guys. So I prefer the paint white color on this project, so it looks good on pink paint. So before that, guys, like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel, and definitely comment down below what you guys think. I really want to hear you out there, guys, so stay connected.
Scratch your surface, and I could walk for days searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? show me how? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
So that's it for the video, guys. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.